Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to find the value of x and y where x plus y is equal to 20, xy is equal to 44. How to solve this Germany Math Olympiad problem? Okay. X plus y is equal to 20, it is called equation 1, and xy is equal to 44, it is called equation 2. Now from first equation, questions have given x plus y is equal to 20, or now taking this x to right side we can write y is equal to 20 minus x, so we will get y is equal to 20 minus x, and it is called equation 3. Okay. Now from second equation, questions have given xy is equal to 44. Here y is equal to 20 minus x from equation 3, so we can write here x times y, that means 20 minus x is equal to 44, or x times 20 is 20x, x times negative x is negative x square. Now taking this 44 to left side we will get negative 44 is equal to 0, or now multiplying both sides by negative 1 and rearranging left side we can write x square minus 20x plus 44 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we will find out a nice quadratic equations. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 20, and c is equal to 44, or x is equal to minus, now b is equal to negative 20, so we can write here negative 20 plus or minus square root of b square, that means negative 20 square minus 4 times a is equal to 1 times c is equal to 44 all over 2 times a, that means 2 times 1, or x is equal to, now minus times minus is plus, so here we will get 20 plus or minus square root of negative 20 square, that means 400 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 6, 1 is carry. Now 4 times 4 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, all over 2 times 1 is 2, or x is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of, now here we will get 224 over 2, or x is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of, now 224 can be written as 16 times 14 over 2, or x is equal to 20 plus or minus, now we can write here square root of 16 times square root of 14 over 2, or x is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 14 over 2, or x is equal to, now taking count 2, here we will get 10 plus or minus 2 square root of 14 over 2, now this 2 cancel out this 2, so here we will get x is equal to 10 plus or minus 2 square root of 14. So we can write here the value of x1 is equal to 10 plus 2 square root of 14, and x2 is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 14. Okay, there are two values of x. Now recall equation 3. So we can write here y is equal to equation 3 20 minus x. Now when the value of x1 is equal to 10 plus 2 square root of 14, then the value of y1 is equal to 20 minus 10 plus 2 square root of 14, or y1 is equal to 20 minus 10 minus plus is minus 2 square root of 14. So the first value of y1 is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 14, and when the value of x2 is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 14, then the value of y2 is equal to 20 minus 10 minus 2 square root of 14, or y2 is equal to 20 minus 10 minus times minus is plus 2 square root of 14. So the value of y2 is equal to 10 plus 2 square root of 14. Okay, so totally there are two values of x and y. So we can write here x1 comma y1 is equal to 10 plus 2 square root of 10 plus 2 square root of 14 comma 10 minus 2 square root of 14, and x2 comma y2 is equal to 10 minus 2 square root of 14, 10 minus 2 square root of 14 comma 10 plus 2 square root of 14. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.